why your YouTube channel is not growing at all is because you're paying attention to things that are not important. You're paying attention, you're focusing on things that are not important at all. When you change your focus and you start looking at those things that are important, you would finally see a breakthrough on your channel. You finally see your channel getting the attraction it requires. You see yourself growing. Welcome to the Kind Explainer, guys. Here on this space, here on this channel, I teach you how to grow and monetize social media. So now let's talk about how to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube fast. As somebody that has different YouTube channels, both those that are monetized and those we are still going from scratch, like this particular one, I can tell you for a fact, practically, how to get your 1,000 subscribers fast. Now, to those people that don't really understand how YouTube works and you're wondering why 1,000 subscribers, what is the big deal about 1,000 subscribers? I'm going to explain to you. Before you can get monetized here on YouTube, before you can join or before you can be qualified, yeah, that's better. Before you can be qualified to join the YouTube partnership program, you need to hit 1,000 subscribers and then 4,000 hours of watch time. And some people, they get stuck at 500, they get stuck at 200. It is no longer moving. They are posting, they are not seeing any results at all. And at this point, some persons start giving up. Some persons just forget about their channel and they are done with it. You're actually focusing on what is not important at all. Focusing on number of subscribers is not the thing. In fact, YouTube has, actually made everything easy. There is a level playing ground for both old YouTubers and new YouTubers, because when I see your video and I click on your video to watch, unlike before, currently you're not going to see the number of subscribers that a channel has when you watch their videos. Before now, when I click on a video and I start watching their videos, I can clearly see how many subscribers you have. I can tell from your subscriber if you are a new YouTuber or you are an old YouTuber or you are a big YouTuber. Yeah. But currently, when you click on a video on YouTube, when you go to YouTube and maybe you just want to watch a particular video and you click on that video, I'm going to leave a screenshot for you on the screen, right? When I click on this video, okay, this is a video from Ali Abdal. When I click on his video like this, I cannot see how many subscribers he has. It is no longer here. It's no longer displayed here. The only thing you get to see is how many views that video has gotten since the time it was published. That is the only thing you get to see. So there is a level playing ground on YouTube for everybody. There is no big YouTuber, there is no small YouTuber. You are the only one seeing yourself as a small YouTuber, and you're focusing on number of subscribers when it doesn't matter at all. People don't know you are a small YouTuber. You are the one telling yourself that you are a small YouTuber, and when you always pronounce that it is not working, you remain where you are. I want you to start focusing on what really matters, and when you start focusing on that is when you start growing. And what are those things that matters? Number one, posting valuable content, posting relatable content, posting content that people can relate to and people will get value from. That should be your number one focus. Because if I come on YouTube right now and I type how to grow a YouTube channel, I will see loads of videos, right? And when I click, I don't know who is a small YouTuber, I don't know who is a big YouTuber. All I'm seeing is what their videos. And I'm definitely going to watch the one that is actually giving value. So focus on, ensuring that your videos are packed with value. Whatever it is you promise on your thumbnail and your title, try to fulfill that promise in your video, and always ensure that you're using a hook in the first few seconds of your video. Generally, yeah, attention span is very short, so people don't want to click on your video and they feel as if you're wasting their time. Maybe you start going out of content, start saying things that are not important, they will click out and you will not get that view. You will not in turn get that sub. You will not get that person to subscribe. But when they click and you go straight to the point, you hit the nail on the head. That reason for which they click on your video, you're giving it to them. You're giving them that answer in the first few seconds of the video. They are definitely going to relax, watch through, and eventually subscribe to your channel. So start focusing on how you package your video content, how you package the content, the value, the way you put everything together. Focus on it. It is so important. The second thing you need to learn how to do is always end your videos leaving your viewers hungry for another of your video. Does it make sense? End your video on a note where they feel like, oh, I need to watch more. I need to watch part 2 of this video. Do you get what I'm saying? End your videos leaving your viewers hungry for another of your video. I don't know if this makes sense, but I want you to get this. When you are, arranging or organizing your videos towards the end, leave your viewers with this text for another of your video. What is this going to do for you at the long run? This would help the YouTube algorithm start pushing your video, and I'm going to give you the reason and how this works. When you end your video and your viewers are just hungry to watch another of your video, they go ahead, they click on another of your suggested videos. As they are watching that one, some will even go ahead to click on another one. That starts ringing bell to the YouTube algorithm that, see, this video or this channel that people are watching, they are not just watching video 1. Some of them are watching 2, 3 of the same channel's video. I think this is a good video that we need to start pushing. This is when YouTube will start doing the work for you. They will start pushing your video to more audience. You need to understand this. YouTube cares more about viewers than you, the creator. Because without these viewers, they cannot be in business. YouTube is someone's business. Hope you know that. Without these viewers, YouTube cannot be in business. And when they are not in business, they cannot pay you, the creator. So they actually try as much as they can to please their viewers. That is why, as a viewer, when you come on YouTube and you type a particular keyword, YouTube will start recommending those keywords to you. In fact, when you go out of YouTube and you come back again, they will start from where you stop. They will start showing you more and more of these videos. Why? Because you have shown interest in this type of videos. They will start bombarding you with loads and loads and loads of those kind of videos. Do you understand what I'm saying? So whenever you're ending your videos, always ensure that you're leaving your viewers, you're leaving them testing for another of your video. That is why if you watch my videos very closely, towards the end, I usually refer you to another of my video. At this particular video you're watching, towards the end, I'm going to refer you to another video which will help you with getting your 4,000 hours of watch time fast. Please don't forget to watch it at the end, because it is not just about getting your 1,000 subscribers. When you get your 8,000 subscribers, you need to now work towards getting your 4,000 hours of watch time. It is when you get this tool that you can then apply for the YouTube partnership program. That is where you become qualified to start earning from the YouTube YPP program. So this is me referring you to another of my videos. So when you watch this video, and because you have gotten value from this particular one you watched, you are hungry to watch another one, you are thirsty for another of my video, you will go and watch another. This is how the YouTube algorithm will now start, noticing what is happening, and they start promoting my videos. That is exactly how it works. That is how the YouTube algorithm works. When you give them value, they in turn will give you value by promoting your videos. So attention should be value content. Leaving your viewers, leaving those people that have clicked on your videos to watch, give them so much value that they are thirsting for another of your video. Are we communicating? Another thing that you can do that would help you get 8,000 subscribers fast is to use attention grabbing thumbnail and title. You see these two metadatas, do not joke with them at all. If you want to grow on YouTube, if you want to make money on YouTube, even when you become a big YouTuber, in quotes, don't joke with these two things, your thumbnail and your title. Now, it is so practical. When you go on YouTube and you search for how to make pancake, let's do that practical so you understand what I'm saying. I love practical because it gives you more insight, right? So when I go onto my YouTube channel like so, I'm going to leave my screen so you guys can follow through. So once I go to YouTube and I type how to make pancakes, right? At home or wherever, I just type it like so. Now, when you scroll, you will see different videos showing you how to make pancake. Different videos showing you how to make pancakes. So guys, I need you to take a look at all these videos we're seeing. First of all, look at their thumbnail. Which one of this video looks more attention grabbing? Let's go. Which of these videos looks more attention grabbing? Let me see. Guys, to me, it is this first one that is showing some yummy, delicious pancakes. The person says pancakes in 10 minutes. Can you see? And you can see the title. how to make pancakes at home, easy pancake recipe. Can you see that? This one is so attention grabbing, and if you look at it, they've gotten over 27 million views. 27 million views. This is a lot. What are you saying? The first thing people will see when they search for a particular keyword or a particular topic, it is your thumbnail and your title. That is exactly what will determine if they are going to click on your videos or not. It is not the content of your video. People don't usually see the content of your video. They don't know if the content is great, if it is not great. They don't know until they click. And they only click on your video when they find your thumbnail and your title appealing to their eyes, appealing to the hunger of what they are searching for. Do you understand? So I need you to start paying attention to your thumbnail. Your thumbnail should be lit. Use bold text on your thumbnail. Use what bold text. You see, we're searching for how to make pancakes, and when we came there, we saw a very yummy picture of pancake looking delicious already. That is something I want to learn how to do. So people will click on it because they think, oh, this will actually give me value for what I'm looking for. Pay attention to your thumbnail. Pay attention to your title. Know how to use SEO on your thumbnail and also on your title. Know how to use relevant keywords. Keywords that are relevant to your videos on your title. This is so important. Make your thumbnail interesting for people to click. Ask yourself, if I see this thumbnail of my video, if I am the viewer, am I going to click on it? If the answer is no, please change your thumbnail. Change your title. Go check how other people in your niche, other creators in your niche are, designing their thumbnail and their title. You can actually pick one or two from there, make your own even better. So pay attention to your title and your thumbnail, and thank me later for it. Now to the very last point I have for you all in this video, focus on posting more videos. More videos equals to what? More views, and more views equals to more subscribers. This is just practical. If you have just one video on your channel, how many views are you getting on that one video, and how many subscribers do you want to get? When you are posting videos consistently, people are getting value from your videos. They are watching your videos. You don't need to tell them to subscribe, because they know they are watching, they are getting value, they want to come back and watch more of your videos. They are going to subscribe freely to your channel. They are going to subscribe. And lastly, try to remind people to subscribe. Some people, they enjoy the content of your videos, they want to come back and watch more, but they actually forgot to hit on the subscribe button. It is human to forget, right? So you can equally remind them, just as I am reminding you in this video right now. If you've gotten value from this video and at this point you've not subscribed yet, come on, what are you doing? Why are you wasting time? Hit that subscribe button you see down below, and guess what? It actually costs you nothing. You're not paying a dime. It is you're not paying anything. Just subscribe. Hit on that subscribe button. Be a member of this family, right? You want to grow and monetize social media. This is the right place to be. Subscribe to the channel, like and share this video. And on the screen right here, you will see a video that will show you practically how to get your 4,000 hours of watch time. Click on this video and I'll see you guys over here.